We are on IBC 2015 on the Kinefinity booth, and we're gonna check out their new 6K cameras.
Right.
Hi.
So we are standing here in front of Kinemax 6K, which is Kinefinity's latest generation cinema camera. It's a 6K RAW camera. It records RAW internally onto SSDs. In 6K it can do up to 30 frames, in 4K 100 frames, 3K 150 frames, and 2K 225 frames.
Okay, that's impressive.
Right, so all of this is 12-bit RAW internal recording.
Okay.
We have 3 codecs. One is Cineform, Cinema DNG, and the third one is KineRAW, which is their own codec.
Okay.
And from KineRAW codec you can get to Cineform, Cinema DNG, and ProRes through the transcoding software which Kinefinity does provide.
What's the sensor size of this camera?
It's a Super 35 sensor,
Okay.
and the crop factor natively is 1.6, but we have a kind of speed booster like EF adapter that will reduce the crop factor to 1.1, so you almost have a full frame if you're using EF lenses.
Okay, very nice. And what kind of mount is this, or do you have more mount options?
Right, Kinefinity natively comes with a exchangeable lens mount system.
Okay.
You can choose PL, EF, Nikon, B4 or OCT19.
The SSDs that are used, can you use your own?
Right, exactly. They are non-proprietary.
Okay.
Kinefinity does make their own because they are guaranteed for 3 years to work perfectly, but you can use third-party SSDs as long as they are fast enough.
Okay. And the battery options for the camera?
It comes with a built-in battery plate, either V-mount or Anton Bauer. Yeah, so native ISO is 800, and for dynamic range we actually have 2 options. One is the standard 1:1 pixel readout, then the dynamic range is about 14, and we have a special mode. It's called Golden 3K and Golden 2K, and in that mode we have close to 16 f-stops. We have 3 audio input options. One is a built-in mic, the other one is a 3.5mm jack, and then we have professional dual XLR audio input with 48 volt phantom power.
Okay.
So Zacuto has recently designed or redesigned their recoil parts to fit for Kinemax. It has updated the software of the Reticle HD and X EVFs to work perfectly with Kinefinity cameras. The Kinemax has been shipping since May this year.
Okay.
And just recently, actually, so first the camera was shipping, and then they developed the software, the firmware, and now just 2 weeks ago they launched the latest firmware, and with that we can now say that the camera is really ready and final.
What are the big changes in the latest firmware?
Mainly the high frame rates. So in 4K we can go up to 100 frames, 3K 150 frames, and 2K 225 frames. The camera is priced with a, let's say, an operational kit without lens or monitor. We are just below 10,000 euro.
Okay. And where can people find more info and order them?
So if they're based in Europe, you can go to kinefinity.tv, or you can go to hdvideoshop.com. We are the European distributor. We have dealers in several countries in Europe, so depending on where the person is based, they can find a dealer locally.
Dit was de Kinefinity's booth on IBC 2015. Thanks for watching.